So, in brief, if you would like to talk about cloud computing and why banking industry is resisting to go for cloud, is first of all the legacy. So, guess that a system is there which is lasting for about 20 to 30 years, and then you come to tell the people there, okay, let's move to the cloud. What do you think about those people, how they are going to react? The second factor is the multiple applications. As we have seen today, over 1,000 applications might be running in your organization. So this adds to the complexity of being legacy. The third factor, which is really was stopping us completely, is the regulation. We are a well-organized and well-regulated industry. So you cannot just move with things without being approved, having non-objection from the governments. Those are the three key factors that we are always suffering from.